Happy Hump Day. It is Wednesday, September 14th. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. Uh, I'm doing all right. Today, I'm going to talk to you about traffic authority. Every online business needs traffic, eyeballs on our offers. I personally am using Traffic Authority, and I recommend them to anyone looking for top tier traffic. So I'm going to make myself smaller here and put me in the corner. Bear with me. Here we go. And here we are at Traffic Authority. They have been in business for about 7 years. And like I say, they offer top tier traffic only. They're a little pricey, but you get what you pay for, right? So they're also running a challenge, a 90-day challenge for building your team, being accountable, developing your skills, and supporting others. But we're not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk to you about the platform because I myself hold a reseller's license, which you could get as well. And it's $49 a month. It's either $47 or $49 a month. It's a really good deal. You also, when you get the reseller's license, you get the traffic optimizer. The traffic optimizer is where you can create tracking links to find out where your traffic is coming from for your leads and conversions. You could also upgrade to the Traffic Academy, and that is $97 a month. But you get all of this training, and then when you do upgrade, it does increase your commissions. So that's always nice. There's 21 courses, 107 lessons, 284 videos for 92 hours and 54 minutes time in videos. And let's see, what do we have? Certificate training. Email Profits, Instagram Crusher, Home Business Authority Blueprint, Zero to Hero using LinkedIn. I myself use LinkedIn to promote in. Dominating with free Facebook strategies. Money on the table, where you don't want to leave it. Having fearless conversations. Video marketing on purpose, prosperity consciousness, social responder, YouTube crash course, 5 ways to inspire your list, tactical content marketing mastery, You Inc. life development course. We always want to be working on ourselves. Banners 101, attraction marketing, BizTube Academy, search traffic secrets, 9 steps to podcast profits, Facebook ads for the home biz pros. Then we have some more coming soon. Don't know what they are because they're not labeled, but that's quite a bit of education for $97 a month and increased commissions. So yeah, if you would like to become a reseller of Traffic Authority, like I said, it's I believe $49 a month, and you get the Traffic Optimizer with that, where you can track your links to see where your leads and sales are coming from, so that you can take advantage of the outlets that are bringing you leads and sales instead of wasting money on the places that are not bringing you leads and sales. And let's see, we have the traffic store, because every online business needs traffic. So you would do well to be a product of the product and buy your traffic from Traffic Authority. So they have packages, starting with the basic package, which is 170 to 190 clicks for $220. And all clicks are delivered within 14 to 28 days. And this way, they're more quality clicks, because you don't want to get them all in one day. That's from what I understand. You get more quality clicks when it's over time. The bronze package is $340 to $380 for $440. The silver package is 510 to 570 clicks for $660. Then we have the gold package, which is 850 clicks to 950 clicks for $1,097. Then the platinum package is 1,700 to 1,900 clicks for $2,197. The titanium package, 3,400 to 3,800 clicks for $4,297. And then we have the diamond package, which is 8,100 clicks to 8,400 clicks for $8,397. With that being said, when you are an affiliate or a reseller, you will be compensated based on the traffic package that you very first purchase. So let's say you come in buy the basic package for $220. Your commissions will be based on this product. But they have, let me see if I can get to that particular screen. They have this traffic bank where you earn your way up the traffic tiers to where you will earn more commissions as time goes on and the more you sell. So that your commissions will increase over time if you're selling. Okay, let's see. Reward store, maybe it's there. You also do get reward bucks every time that you place an order that you can use towards your next purchase of traffic. I don't see that here. Okay. Well, the other thing I wanted to talk to you today about, once you are a member of Traffic Authority, I have a special link that goes to the 12-month traffic store. Now, you won't find this anywhere on the web. You have to know somebody to get the link. And what it is, a 12-month traffic store, you have 4 different packages: the gold, platinum, titanium, and diamond. The gold 12-month package is $145 a month. It includes 100 clicks per month. So you would pay $145 a month, and over that month you would get 100 clicks. For the platinum package, it's $245 a month for 200 clicks over the month. For titanium package, it's $400 for 300 clicks over the month, and the diamond package is $700 a month for 600 clicks over the month. So, but you do have to already be a member and then get the link from me. Of course, I would get a commission based on you purchasing this. But you already have to be a member of Traffic Authority and signed in to Traffic Authority in order to then go to this link and use it. So I hope that that has been helpful. And I just want to say, if you like this video, please hit like, smash the like button, hit the bell icon, hit all on the bell icon so you get notified every time I put out a video. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.